3210. It's about 1.2, 1.3 meters. What do we need for that? Well, we need a lot of Mentos. Here are all the Mentos. We need Diet Coke, lots of Diet Coke here, and you can see that Diet Coke is in these buckets. In these buckets you can see some iced water, so these bottles of Diet Coke here are around about 0 or 1 or 2 degrees Celsius. We've got some room temperature Diet Coke, so about 20 degrees. This bucket here is going to be our next temperature up. By the time we get to it, this is going to be around about 30 degrees, maybe 25 degrees. And over here, this is going to be our hot bucket. That's going to be around about 50 degrees, as you can see here. We also need the Mentos geyser tube. You can see the Mentos in here. We've got a trigger pin on the side, which allows us to release the Mentos all in one go. So the way the experiment is going to go, the geyser tube with the Mentos in it is going to go on top. We're going to stand a few feet away and pull this string so that we release all of the Mentos into the Diet Coke, get a nice big reaction, which is going to travel up the pole, and hopefully our video is going to capture how high each one goes. Okay, so that's it. On with the experiment. This is 0 degrees Celsius Diet Coke with 6 Mentos for the first experiment. I'm going to give it a countdown, and I'm going to pull this bit of string, which is going to release the trigger, drop the Mentos in the Diet Coke, and create a fountain, hopefully. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Got up to about 40 centimeters. Okay, counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So that got up to about 2.1, 2.2 meters. 20 degrees room temperature Diet Coke. Cool. Pretty good. So 35 degrees Celsius, 6 Mentos. Experiment number 3, counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So that went pretty high, maybe about the same height as the 50-degree Coke, maybe about 3.5, 3.75 meters. Awesome. Counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That went beyond 3.6 meters, probably about 4 meter mark. That's a good one. Okay, counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It's about 1.2, 1.3 meters. Okay, this is experiment 3 for the variable how many Mentos. We're using 9 Mentos and room temperature Diet Coke once again. This one should be big. Okay, 9 Mentos, 20-degree Coke, counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So that got up to about 2.7, 2.8 meters. Okay, so this is the big one. We're combining both of the variables, all of the results that we've got so far. We're going to be using 50-degree Coke and 9 Mentos. Should be the biggest. Diet Coke is bubbling away in anticipation of these Mentos. 50-degree Coke, 9 Mentos. Here we go. Here we go. Counting down from 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Somehow that got me in the leg too. So that must have gone 5-6 meters. It was enormous, much bigger than my house. It was fantastic. Awesome.